On private jets, taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with, makes me wonder who you think.
Good morning. How's everybody? It's another wonderful day to be alive. Okay. Some people didn't wake up today. Sending prayers to those that didn't. But today, we're going to put on one of my Glueless units. Pre-tenant. Bam. Today, we're going real glueless. So, we're pulling out Oh Faithful. Or a little glueless slip resistant band. For the extra little, color. And I'm going to give a shot of them baby hairs again that I tried the other day. When they said just use mousse. Maybe I need the Nairobi. Because I've been with Lottie Body forever. They say comb everything to the front. Everything. Well, every edge piece that you want to use. Comb it to the front. But how is everybody? How's everybody coping? Life's hard right now. Eggs, $7. Eggs is $7. I never thought I'd see the day where eggs was $7. Never see the day where eggs was $7. Okay. A little more. I got a little more control. I feel. Not enough for my liking, but practice. Practice key. Yeah, I want to practice, but I got my daughter's game, so I really can't practice that much today. So, the mousse to give me a little stiffness. Just a little bit. I'ma learn. I am. Just give me time. Just give me time. And when I do, I don't want to hear nothing. I don't want to hear nothing. Because I know y'all probably be talking about me. But it's okay. Somebody got to do talking. Somebody got to do the talking. Might as well be me, right? Work on these little side joints. I don't have that much time today. Not like it takes over 10 minutes. That's a bit long for me. Am I just going to swoop them? Yes, I am. You're not going to be able to see too much of that anyway. Okay. No, that's going to drive me nuts. It's going to drive me insane. Gotta go. So my sides enjoy just mousse, I see. It's that middle joint that really can't get with the program. But day by day, I tell you, I'm going to get better. I'm going to get better. That's why I say thank y'all for coming on this journey with me. I ain't say I was perfect. I mean, my units are good that I sell. Very good. But I never said I was perfect. I never said I was a wig magician. I'm learning. I want to be. I want to be one of y'all's favorites. I want you to be like, let's go look at Key's video. Her wig was looking good yesterday. Yeah, I want to hear that. That'll make my day. But I feel like this needs to be brought in a little more. this boy in just a little more. And God, the mousse doesn't dry immediately. So, I got them little spots right there. Remember the other day I was talking about the foaming mousse? This right here. A drop on your finger for us good chocolaties. And the little light spots won't be light. Them little light spots will not be light. Give it a little bit, let it dry. Hit it with Old Faithful. These curls are pretty much done too. I bring pre-curl in my units to show the point of the gluelessness. You know, we need to hit it with in the hot comb. Everything needs to be flat. Again, at least if we wearing wigs, can they look kind of, you know, just a little bit? Just a little bit. We already wearing wigs, honey. At least tame them a little bit. Now let's see what these curls looking like to see if I need to throw any extra hoopla. No, I mean, I could use, but I want more of a wavy look today. It's okay to not be happy with something. Fix it. Fix it. Yeah. Fix it. Fix it. Boom. That looks better to me. Right? Y'all know. Hairspray that shit down. Old Faithful. Small tooth comb. I love this curve comb for when you gotta use the black for the part. Yeah, all that's pre-done too. I don't do that on camera. I don't want to. But this might be good to fix that. See? Doing too much. It messed it up. All right. We are done. It is time to go to my daughter's cheer competition. I hope everybody has a great day. And this is a real glueless with just some mousse. Thank y'all for talking with me.